Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to type in the copyright sign on your laptop. There are two ways to do it. The first one involves the numpad, so if you have the numbers on the right side of your keyboard, then you can use the first way. But if you don't, then I'm gonna explain how to do it without the numpad in the next part of the video. So with the numpad, you just need to open the text field you want to type it into. Then, while pressing on left Alt button, type in 0169 and release the Alt. And you can see it types the copyright sign. You can do it multiple times and it works. If it doesn't work for some reason, even though you have the numpad, you may need to click on numlock. You can see I've clicked on it once now, and now it won't work. You can see it doesn't work. So when I click on the numlock again, now it works. If you don't have the numpad, now we're moving on to the next part. I'm gonna show you the screen. Go to the search bar, which I'm in right now, and find character map. Then here you can just type in the copyright in the search, but I have it here, so I can just click on that. When it gets bigger, then I'm pointing on it, so you can click on select, then copy. And now when it's copied, you can just paste it in wherever you want, so into Notepad, into any text editor, or anywhere else. And to do it, just either click on Ctrl and V on your keyboard simultaneously, or instead you can just right click in the place you want to paste it to and click on paste. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.